Before the immersive world of virtual reality and the stunning graphics of modern video games, there was Sketchpad, the grounding program that changed the way we interact with computers forever. Join us as we explore the story of Sketchpad, the first 3D graphics program ever created. Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we are stepping back into the 1960s to uncover the origins of computer graphics with a deep dive into the Sketchpad. This revolutionary program paved the way for digital worlds we live in today. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell. Let's rewind to our early 1960s. Computers were massive, room-sized machines, primarily used for calculations and data processing. Visual displays were rudimentary, limited to text and simple numbers, but that was all about to change. In 1961, a young and brilliant MIT student named Ivan Sutherland embarked on the journey that would forever alter the landscape of computing. Sutherland had a vision, a world where computers were not just number crunchers, but tools for creating and interacting with the visual data. So in 1963, Sutherland introduced Sketchpad as a part of his PhD. This wasn't just another software, it was a revolutionary concept that allowed users to draw directly on a computer screen and manipulate those drawings in real time. So, what made Sketchpad so special? Let's take a closer look at its innovative features. At its core, Sketchpad was a program for drawing geometrical shapes, but its true genius lay in how it managed and manipulated those shapes. Firstly, Sketchpad introduced the concept of object-oriented graphics. Every shape was treated as a distinct object. This meant users could select, move, resize and replicate those objects with ease. This principle is foundational to all modern graphic software. Like, imagine drawing a circle on a screen and then dragging it to a new position with a simple click and drag. In the early 1960s, this was groundbreaking. Next, Sketchpad allowed users to set geometric constraints. You could dictate that lines remain parallel or that angles stay fixed, making it an incredibly powerful tool for precise design work. Those constraints were crucial for applications in engineering and architecture, where precision and accuracy are paramount. It was like having a digital drafting board that enforced your design rules automatically. Another revolutionary aspect was its interface. Sketchpad used a light pen, a precursor to modern touch and stylus interfaces, allowing users to draw and interact directly with the screen. The light pen was used to select, draw and manipulate graphic objects, providing a direct and intuitive way to interact with the computer. It's a concept that resonates with today's technology and pen-based interfaces. Sketchpad ran on a TX2 computer, a machine with a whopping 64K of core memory and a processing speed that pales in a comparison to even the simplest modern devices. Sutherland had to optimize both hardware and software to handle the complex task of a graphical manipulation. Although TX2 was a beast, it had significant limitations, but Sutherland was a genius, and he had the ability to maximize its potential, creating algorithms that effectively managed the graphical data and interactive elements. Sketchpad's influence extended far beyond its initial use. It wasn't just a drawing tool, it was a catalyst for an entire field of computer graphics and interactive computing, from the complex designs in CAD software to the immersive worlds in the video games. Sketchpad's principles are everywhere. It laid the groundwork for future technologies that we rely on today. After Sketchpad, Sutherland continued to push the boundaries of what was possible with computers. In 1968, he and his student Bob Sproul developed the first head-mounted display system for virtual reality, often called the Swords of Damocles. This device was a precursor to modern VR and AR systems. Sutherland's vision for interactive and immersive computing was decades ahead of its time. In 1988, Sutherland got Turing Award. This award is often described as a Nobel Prize of computing. Sutherland's legacy is not just in the awards he received, but in countless innovations and technologies that were built upon his ideas. His work with Sketchpad set a foundation that continues to influence and inspire us. The thing is, Sketchpad didn't just change technology, it changed how we think about problem solving and design. It encouraged a visual, interactive approach to understanding and manipulating data, a concept that's now integral to many fields. Today, interactive design is everywhere, from the educational tools that help students learn complex concepts to a medical software that assists in surgeries. Sketchpad's influence is undeniable. It's amazing to think how far we have come from those early days. Sketchpad was more than just a program. It was a vision of what computers could be, a gateway to exploring and creating in a digital space. Its legacy lives on in every digital design and every interactive experience we encounter today. So next time you marvel at the latest blockbuster's stunning graphics or use a sophisticated design tool, take a moment to remember Sketchpad and the incredible journey of innovation that began with Ivan Sutherland's visionary work. Thank you for watching, guys. See ya.